what's up? I'm clearing my throat. I'm Gears of Snore, and I thank you for tuning in. I'm riding around somewhere in PA with my friends. Absolutely awestruck at some of the scenery. Man, if I lived up here, I don't think I'd ever get sick of the riding. I don't. The river's right down there. Would you look at that? So we're riding along the river. And if you like riding, nah, I'm kidding. But if you would be kind to give my video a thumbs up or leave a comment, I appreciate it. Yeah, would you look at that? Speed hump. That's a jump for the Pan America. Travis Pastrami. That counts as a... Oh, it's people jet skiing. That counts as a double tail whip. Benihana 540 finger flip to fakie. How freaking cool is this? Put on Waze, but oh, it's called River Road. Go figure. Pitched myself up into the tank, and the family jewels were like, "Hey, buddy, can you push it back a little bit?" So I'm obliged. What do you think of the area, Big Sheila? Yeah, she's psyched. Look at that bridge. Huh. I tell you, this day has been something else. Some of the best riding I've ever done. It is just gorgeous up here. I'm with Nico and Ray today. Three hungry lads on a mission to get some barbecue. Guys know any roads up in PA I should hit? Leave them in the comments, man. I basically, for fun, it's this, and I skateboard with my friend Ralphie sometimes. At our age, though, you know, we're in our 50s, I think it's just more of pushing around and throwing yourself to the ground. Power plant. Gen On. I guess this is Portland, PA? Or maybe that was the name of the company. Today, man, fantastic. It is Portland. Huh. Now, if you ain't revving your bike when you're going through a tunnel, why the hell are you even riding? We're going over this bridge here. Maybe not. I feel like I have been down here before. Yeah, I have. Forgot, it's in one of my videos. We went to a place one Sunday for chicken wings. They had like 50-cent wings or something. There was a bunch of us there too, man. We ate like freaking kings, and it didn't even come to like $100 for like 6 people. It's absurd. With libations. And the bartender, who was also the waiter, she was cool as hell to us. She was nice to everybody there. I think we may be passing it. But if you made it this far, I thank you for watching. Drop my videos every Sunday, 3 p.m.-ish.